Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Spotify playlist or a new playlist in Spotify. So here I've already opened my Spotify, and then if you want to create a new playlist, you'll easily find the create playlist option or menu at the left panel right here, and you can just click on this option, and then if the playlist will automatically create it like this. And then if you want to rename the playlist, just right click on the playlist, and then you can just click on rename. So for example, new playlist, and then to add a new song, you can just click on the playlist, and then here scroll down, and then you can just search for the songs or episode. Maybe this is for a podcast to add into the playlist. For example, I want to add a Taylor Swift song. Okay, oops, just scroll down. For example, this one, just click on add and select this one. And just like that, a song or songs has been added into the new playlist. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can create a new playlist in your Spotify. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.